Hi, welcome at Hawk Academy. Today I show you how you use some if and some ifs in solve of your Excel formula. And okay, let's start. First of all, you see that here is a 4 row and area export in item and USD. Now we try to sum this whole area and sum if this area and also cover the full area for analysis your expected data. Okay, first of all you have to go here and write equal and sum and click here. Okay, and cover this area, also press sum and enter. Here you see that the full area cover of sum 3,71,220. okay, now we try to auto sum, and here you go sum, but you have to select this area. Okay, and press enter sum, and you also sum with shortcut alt equal and select this area. Okay, you see that here is three types of sum, and now we try to how you use sum if and cover specific area of export. Okay, if only single criteria you can use sum if, and multiple criteria you have to use sum ifs. Okay, let's start, and you have to press equal and sum if. Okay, and select the range, full range, and criteria, what type of criteria you want to sum. Okay, we select Arunachal Pradesh and comma and cover the sum area equal and enter, and you see that here is 65,000 USD export in Arunachal Pradesh. And if you wanted to prove this sum, okay, and go there, click and click and click, and you see that here 65,000 total sum. Okay, it's sum if I also talk you again, sum if only use for single and sum ifs used for multiple criteria. Okay, and let's start sum ifs. How you calculate it? Equal sum ifs bracket sum range. You have to cover this sum range. Here is sum range, you have to cover this area sum range. Okay, and you have to cover criteria range, which types of criteria you wanted to sum. Okay, and area, this criteria area. Okay, and now you have to select specific area, which area you wanted to sum. We select this area. Okay, here is multiple criteria, here is multiple criteria, you see that. Okay, and enter Okay, you see that only Arunachal Pradesh 65,000 USD dollar are export. Okay, then if we automated this, and you have to cover the below area. Okay, and you see that Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Tripura and Mizoram, the multiple criteria are covered by Sumifs. Okay, and if we wanted to check and verify this sum, okay, Assam, and here we go, Assam, and Assam. Okay, you see that 95,222 US dollar export. And also you can check again Nagaland. Okay, here is Nagaland, 10,000. Here is also 10,000. Okay, and we can check again Manipur, and here is Manipur, 5,000, and also 30,000, 35,000. You see 35,000, and you also see here 35,000 of Manipur total export. This is our today's lesson.